Құрметті оқырмандар қауымы, сіздердің назарларыңызға мектепшілік Reading жобасының аясында ReadX форматында жерлесіміз көрнекті ақын жазушы Сәкен Сейфуллиннің Айша повесінен үзінді ұсынамыз. Aisha's eyes flashed, her face turned to stone. For a while she sat in silence, but then straightened. They have a good talking to me too. They said that I've had to teach you a lesson instead of delivering your message, Sadrbek added as to comfort her. That's right, though they scold you, but please, I beg you like a brother, go to them and say not to hold in grief against me, and tell them not to be angry with me. Do you understand? Yes, I understood, Sadrbek agreed and left the yard. Rahia and Rapish appeared again. Phew, I got rid of mother-in-law, she said to girls. Why are you looking so sad and jaded? It's too late to grieve. It is done. Tomorrow we will see Aisha off, she said to the girls. Bibi Ajar and Muslima exchanged looks in silence, and said Rahia fingered the edge of her kerchief.